Okay, so it's no secret that I love EVERLANE.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Hey there, fashion friends. Today we are talking about EVERLANE and some of their summer pieces that I have created a capsule wardrobe with. There are a few different ways of going about a capsule wardrobe. The seasonal capsule wardrobe, so people creating a wardrobe just for the season. Another way to go about it is just having your full-on wardrobe be a full capsule wardrobe, and that is just what you wear season after season. The other part of it, within that wardrobe, having modules. So what that kind of looks like is that maybe in one of your modules you have your favorite silk floral shirt that you've just been obsessed with forever and want to circle a bunch of items around that shirt, around that print. So you will have a module of anywhere from like 6 to 10 pieces that all circle around that print. Maybe it's that you want a certain color palette. Maybe it's for the office that you just want to stick to a very neutral color palette that all circle back to each other that you use for the office. And that's all within the same wardrobe. Okay, so today's module or seasonal capsule wardrobe is going to consist of 10 items. In one of my previous episodes, I talk about how I sort of structure my capsule wardrobes using anchor pieces. So I always start out with the anchor pieces, the items that I want to be the main focus or the main priority of this module or this capsule wardrobe. A lot of times I've used tops kind of being the anchor piece because I think tops are normally the ones that have the color, the main color or the main print that we're after. But today I'm kind of doing things a little bit different. I'm using my bottoms as the anchor piece. After I've shared all the 10 pieces with you, I will then share 15 different looks that you can get out of these 10 pieces. Okay, so let's start off with the Perform bike short. I got these in a size small and in color black. These also come in brown as well. They are 58% recycled nylon and 42% elastane. Gonna tighten it all up for you. Okay, so then let's look at the 90s cheeky denim short. I got these in a 26, which is true to size because 26 is my normal size, and I would say these fit perfectly. The color is distressed indigo, but they also come in a white. These are actually 100% organic cotton, which I absolutely love, and they are non-stretch Japanese cotton. And I love their award-winning butt boosting rear pockets. They're not actually award-winning by anything official, but they're award-winning to me. So there you go. Okay, and then a bonus anchor item that I have just thrown in there as a little surprise is the first EVERLANE romper. I got it in a size 0. I got this in the stripe, but it also comes in navy. These are 100% cotton and have a 7-inch inseam. Love the practicality of the kind of adjustable hem. Okay, so that's the anchor pieces. So let's move on to the layering pieces. It doesn't necessarily have to mean like a layer as in like a blazer or a sweater. It more just means the next layer to your capsule wardrobe and something that's gonna be layered or sort of circled around your anchor pieces. It's the next layer to the onion. You know, there's the core to the onion and then there's the layers around the core of the onion. The tie-dye tee is in a size small. It also comes in green and purple, and it did come in brown, but brown is sold out. This is 100% cotton. I love their box cut tees. Can't really go wrong. They're super easy to style with the high-waisted jeans. Then we have the selfie tank. This is a size small as well. I got this in black. This is 95% cotton and 5% elastane. And this is a sort of slim fit tank top. Then we have the relaxed poplin shirt in a size 2. The blue stripe is almost sold out, but also comes in a blue and white. And this is 100% cotton with a relaxed fit. I've had this shirt for a while. Easy to style in a casual way or in a sophisticated way. Okay, the next piece is gonna be your top off piece. So just adding that final seal that final shell to the onion. Okay, so I have the cotton linen blazer in a size 2. I've got it in color Midnight, which is a dark navy. The fabric for this is 40% linen, 38% lyocell, and 22% cotton. And then there is the cotton crop cardigan. This is in a size small, and unfortunately this is no longer available. I got this like 2 years ago and they haven't brought it back this season. This is color wash black. It is, of course, 100% cotton. I absolutely love this cardigan. Although you can't have this cotton cardigan, I would always suggest having a 100% cotton cardigan for the summer, because they are just so amazing, so comfortable, so breathable as a layering piece for the summer. Okay, and then the last items that we're gonna be talking about for the capsule wardrobe is shoes. Yes, I'm including shoes in this today. Thong sandals. These are a size 7, which is my size, and I would say that these are true to size. However, putting them on at first, they are definitely still a little bit tight. So my ankle hangs off just like a little bit, but I know as I break them in, my foot is gonna start to slide forward a bit more, and then they're gonna fit perfectly. So just kind of be mindful of that. Then we have the tread sneakers, which are also a size 7, and these are true to size. Okay guys, so there we have it. Those are the 10 items that I have in my summer Everlane capsule wardrobe. So as promised, here are the 15 looks that I've created out of this wardrobe.
Baby, don't worry if it don't matter. It'll all work out if it got swagger. Happily ever, that'll come after. Give me that like skip the next chapter. You and I started, they be like, no. Let me go do it, they be like, oh. No, we don't stop, so gotta rap faster. When we do us, we do it like, whoa. Now that's my type of fun. My heart does what it wants. It's beating like a drum, like ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Now that's my type of fun. My heart does what it wants. It's beating like a drum, like ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Let me spell it out now, letter by letter. Cause we on a roll and we only get better. Racking up dough and stacking up cheddar. BOSS life forever. You and I started, they be like, no. Then we go do it, they be like, oh. Baby, you a hustler, I'ma go get up. When we do us, we do it like, whoa. Now that's my type of fun. My heart does what it wants. It's beating like a drum, like ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum bum.
Yeah, mommy, you caught my eye. Gotta act like I didn't notice you walked by. You got a few more guys, I'ma let them try. They might buy you a drink, but they not eye to double take. Yeah, I seen it, I was chilling by the speaker, so proceeded just to be like what you seeing for the weekend. See a little grin and winking, now I'm thinking that it's me. Then proceed to grab my chick and say I wanna see you weak. Never, it's the other way around. I'm a king, didn't notice I was sipping on Crown. You wanna leave, but you gonna stay for one more round. It doesn't matter.
Not bad, huh? I do think that you can get more than 15 looks just by sort of interchanging the pieces within the silhouettes that I've shown here. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. Okay, with that, you know what's coming next. If you liked today's episode, please give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. If you are subscribed already, make sure to click that bell so that you are notified when I am posting new episodes every Wednesday and Sunday. All right, I hope everybody is having a good week so far. Hopefully you are recovered from your 4th of July weekend at this point. Even though we're social distancing doesn't mean you can't get rowdy, now does it? So I hope you are staying safe, keeping distances, and yeah, we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.